Claiming RRSP contribution in TaxTron Web application. After reporting your income, you will be in deduction profile. And the first tab of deduction profile is for RRSP. First of all, you will report your RRSP deduction limit. You can check your notice assessment of last year, but using My Account services, go online and check with the CRA. If you are using Autofill feature of this program, this field will be automatically filled in as per CRA records, putting your RRSP deduction limit. The first question, did you make RRSP contribution or have any transfer? You will click yes to it. Click next. Contribution during the year, your bank name, and your contribution. If you contributed in first 60 days of the calendar year, your bank name and your contributions. If you have any undeducted contribution from last year, those will be appearing on your notice assessment. Autofill feature will fill in by default. So that's how you will report your RRSP contribution in TaxTron Web.